suit. Or a couple little dudes in blue suits. Oh, there it is over there. Let's see behind the trees. Yeah, that was pretty cool.